done. And what I've seen as of yesterday, that Chairman Wontumi.
Obviously, for Ghana SMTV message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature, yeah, but that was not make a be. Hey, Obviously, Ghana penny. Well, I go for back. I am a lot of authority. Say Ghana. Hey, asofufu. Na asofufu nso no. Nkɔfo a wɔtumi hyɛ nkɔm. As I say, wɔ top hɔ no. Nti wotumi wɔn sɛ say ɛwɔ Nyankopɔn Christendom no. Obi bia pɛ sɛ ɔhyɛ nkɔm. Nea nipa afrɛ, nea Nyankopɔn afrɛ no, Nyankopɔn afrɛ sɛ ɔyɛ adifo, nkɔfo a wɔyɛ evangelist o, while obi pɛ sɛ ɔhyɛ nkɔm. Now I'm sure say it is because of a mistake politicians made at some point. Idea we United start here with a MPP. Bekaya before Nana Akufo-Addo will become president. Now there was some acquaintance between him and Osofo Owusu-Bempah. That is where I can remember. That's what I can remember to be the source of all these things. Now MPP for we need that 2016 election. Omo pampa Osofo Owusu-Bempah pa ye pampa no. Until there was a fallout. And to me, I sure say, when that happened now, other prophets, they pastors who say, and yeah, so yes, let me boa prophet, et me kasa, and I say, Shenkom, ma say, we need to say anything about president, say anything about MP. Now, you be man, yes, so you bet me a found the deeper, enti, and I'm also muti, who eshim. After say there, and come share no, and I'm left, right. Now, ya ko ya same cry. Every buy na that daughter damn parents so buy say there be. Nko share wait me a share o. And come share e di fear and panic about money mu there. Won't is right. I don't know can say o there be na damn parents are here. But I believe say now some way somehow damn parents is being vindicated. I said near approach now even though it was not conventional there was some sense in it which we are seeing now. Also for Nigel Gaisi, about Bekasa. Or see saying, or see, Nyankopɔn yi bi akyerɛ no. 2 days near I say yesterday and dra. And he's saying, also for Nigel Gaisi say, the next national chairman of the New Patriotic Party, NPP, Nyankopɔn yi akyerɛ no. Na saa nipa no, friend no. Chairman Entry Bosiako. If I know as Chairman Wontumi. Yeah. Osofo Nigel Gaisi say, then Nyankopɔn yi chairman ne say Chairman Wontumi the next national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. You can share video nebusianfo, but maybe some more. Who do you think say on no better national chairman, Emma MPP? To lead MPP back into power 2029. Ese Okai Senepano should be able to work with Dr. Mahmoud Baba because Dr. Baba is already flag bearer. So for some of the names that are out there, who do you think is the best to be the next national chairman of the MPP? Let me see in the comment section. I'll be answering. See you in the next one. The video is up next. Don't go anywhere.
So far, I don't expect. I know who, by the message of God, will be the next president of the republic. But time is a factor, and so I'm believing God that He has already shown me when the time is due. I'll announce it to the nation.
Is it going to be NDC or MPP?
Like I said, for where I stand, it's a sensitive position. So I'll wait. The first thing was to make sure that they are done. And what I've seen as of yesterday, that Chairman Wontumi will be their next national chairman. Chairman Wontumi, granted God gives him long life, which I pray he has, he showed. He'll be their next general. So can I go? The video.
Boss.
No, I have one last question. They'll be in your neck. They want money for this. They want money for that. I mean, fuel is down. I mean, the basic commodities when you go to the market down. So I'll give them now about 10. But it's still too early to call. And we are praying for the president, and the Lord told me in December that He will strengthen His hands and He's with him. Okay. So we are still praying for the government, and we are praying for everybody. And this year is a good year. So let's all of us maximize that. Let's take advantage of the year and let's do well.
I'm grassroots for. I'm more NDC. My mama bamu wate. Na feel na papa is sense John Dramani Mahama. Wash no mama yin na bi. And then me grassroots ni ma bedu ha sei. Na me da holiday inn e wa buchire hanuma. Na ya papa is sense John Dramani Mahama. Then na watch na bi asem so. My boss me be pay investors. My boy me crew Ghana chimetumpon. Some of funny bin na Mother woman too much ticket I say. And I'm sad by papa Balintino. No more here so some boy papa is a sense John Dramani Mahama. A many boo mine to know. How much take it a mammy. I'm a baha say. You name it to what's what you near more. Na yemfa e kan be fasa e be magana etimetumpon let my resetting agenda no it magana a reset ama no ma ehia no setting aka ama no kwedie na yepe no o man no ahochire wo mu no yepese firi mu no awade aboye no fa papa his systems beyond the man mama so am yet na boa am ya settle Ghana tenyu anu modofo Minya grassroots ni memo abamu na enche ebedru so osu benya wo de wate emu bia bambu yanka samne nke emedu ha 40 years ni na edi party na ti ahye 40 years ni na asoma ndi saban ye hwese o man be koyi eno na edru ho no etimi sawo memo obi nka se unya hwinti dai uja ko fa he ka busen pa kono se obi ono so no nya bibi ya chena kakra ude nya nu ha mama abamu na so ubenya ode eduro nti
eziwo estati gun sangu na nekufo do ne nabusuanfo so sabe okatachi obejira ho eda na idua na dabi wode wanu keke na obeka se wanu hu na me pamucha me sem nkotodwe gufom me de ye minim se sabe adwi ni ba ku fotim ye nyina adwuma kese ya ye besi ne me pamucha wo me sem warade Yesu Kristo de mu mo doctor audio wate ya bre wo me sem me pamucha wo se me mama de me nso anwie me so agumu so munjai okatachi ayade ye mfesi no ye ni natam ye wia ye to na sa wutwene baabi wono no peso di Kennedy janda machia ye nyone di Kennedy ni nyina awia me ni wo monum ade ya bre wom okatachi wuye nobody ye MPP4 ye ne do bo ne chewo na ye san be do na be ye program ye so mu kwasuo do bo hina na so wo die idie wo bo hina na bo bodo ase na yam na togu ye de wo so awie yi di asem ana yi Samuel ukwa kase Samuel ukwa was right mama yenka no na ye wie na mama yen tontwere me pamochawo me sam Samuel ukwa was right wo hwe nkwasiafo ni pabonefo yi wolves ya na hye sheep clothing ya abefra mu say Dr. Campus say ma Dr. Braye hwe wa hapu iso ye wie fi mem na da mi mu mi di kwadwuma ba nra mi ba ye na mi to me kura adai me pamucha wate mon fasam dada ni memu bio mi di radi di samu mon money audios mon ka na mon ka asem
made but I'm into a contest no say 2028 elections na ye bekono we are going to run on the legacy of Nanado and Bawumia it is a debia no katechi e run it down Nanado a yesi unchi ko kwa wuni ni ma na ke say our legacy doctor at the end of the day ye nya policy be fan campaign dia we need to stop him no attacking no bona na do dia no di na tamu no
it is possible
Lily
audio audio if we use it and then we
audio na the NDC for platform
NDC for platform Yes,
So
yes,
far,
yeah,
me
me
and
pa
the
nka
fire
so
to
maso.
for repeater. Obi Basia for apeke.
Oh,
Nti
nti
audio
okay
no
na
de
ho.
mama.
Felix,
Already, you say
Felix,
I'm
me
over.
me tie sia. Kokodo, kokodo. Bra Felix, tie me. Aha, me pa mo cha wo, me nuanom. Asema meka no. Enye so katachie ne yemu ano. Me say, baby ayedu na ya fam no. Muma ye ni niama na chi bebre katachie bone odi di MPP nye bi ni. Ne nyina oba be pa cha oye ne so be wura MPP mu mpo asabio. Last 2 years oye campaign kakra on the platform so ma MPP. Ne nyina no do
Ma
Kennedy.
de wanye
Enye ne
campaign.
papa.
Aka 3 months to elections. Eno ko fa galamsi asembai. Ma de
Minim
wanye
ba
campaign ma yen.
Lily,
Aka
oh
3 months to
Lily.
election. Doko fa galamsi
Dabi,
asem.
Dabi, Lily, mami ka asa mo
Asemba
nkyerɛw.
Lily, mama, my dear, no, see now, or
Bosenameka.
before for Casa because go for Hano, Munina, your doors, why, Miss Remo.
Enti me
Kudu.
pa mo kyɛ wo. Minim sɛ sɛ be nya me nko a, nyɛ deɛ meka nam sɛ obi amfa. Me te ase, me nuanom ne mo. Nea meka ne sɛ, mesrɛ mo. Saa doctor audio no, mammo. Okatachi asɛm ɔkaayɛ no sese wɔbɛka asɛm ati asame awuku ne MPP ɛne sɛ ne ɔno gye ne ho di sɛ yɛyɛ asantefoɔ yɛyɛ papa kyɛn wɔ bia ɛnɛ mu ntie me asantefoɔ a mimi yɛ asanteni ba po 100% meyɛ dwabe de hyeɛ mefie no meka kyɛ yɛyɛ asantefoɔ nyinaa sɛ yɛnyɛ nipa nkyɛn wɔ bia yɛyɛ akamfoɔ nyinaa yɛnyɛ nipa nkyɛn wɔ bia na mmɔ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛn deɛ na di a moma yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔfa yɛn nuanom dagombafoɔ yɛnkɔfa sisa alafoɔ yɛnkɔfa deɛ ka ho ne yɛnkɔhwehwɛ sɛ hwan ne galeba hɛ akamfoɔ ne asatefoɔ mu ntie wɔ bɛrima no ɔware ma nson no a yɛbɛnya abusua nwɔtwe ne nkodo no ɔde galeba yɛdana no no nti moma yɛasom nkɔ adidie moma yɛasom me nuanom asantefoɔ me nuanom akamfoɔ moma other tribes ɔmo ho dɔ wɔm yɛmmɛdi saa nkwaseasɛm ne bia akyi biom Nemo dia mimi samu ne se obia mfa okatachi asɛm ma me yɛn topic ne yɛn kan kosi yɛnim sɛ doctor deɛ na na kufu ado legacy ne yɛde kɔ ampa wɔne ne bɛyi ne bu wɔ man na ampa nemo deɛ atwa mu ne deɛ mo me nkɔfa me bobi ne okatachi yɛ no nra o sɛ dan nansan me mate bi yɛn nyinaa bɛdi natam yɛwie a mesrɛ mo nɛ mo ma enu ntwa bo mo board obi a yɛnya ne life ma no Yen face NDC from Pamucho, Medamasi.
All right, that's Mama, the Yamin shop, and yet was me, was
Madi Kukudu Madi Emza the Awakano Yate. The video audio, I think that was here Bobbian because I was here. And you see, sometimes and crophobia, the movie, no matter your home cron, and in the year before no. Kuma be your home cron.
me say, where, Kwaku, I was set NPP for no, yes, that see, Arabinia, uncle, follow no. I was saying, Nina on follow, not who send a number from one, or big senior.
Opa sisi ama ne meso live sisi a wo mo etie wi ade bra betro
Fellas,
omo mo wana da betro kateche is live
more
o kateche is live na omu ni na adwane ko na nka waba na nka enipa me ensa na etwa na me ayi wa ha it is possible abeku in the year 2022 around October Kevin Taylor call off for 3 weeks straight some be kaya no makra
Me fellas me kai pa.
me tisi akwa no so twa me di Kevin Taylor djuma ono abema announcement owie no say sa boy na why you no team basa no yeah you know people stop
I
following
fellas
him
odo picture betu ni page
I
picture.
say boy no aye ni team basa o Canada no ono face so yeah me
Fellas
say
di ni juma
me
papa.
di ni djuma ma 3 weeks Kevin Taylor and so camera mother 3 weeks no ma and also no ebeha no man numbers ya no onya no kukuru do den eso te we the listeners na say you make it a conscious effort na say we are on following him until on one kasa be hu said the war ye no emwa no we have to unfollow him sebe udi Kennedy echia who cares udi Alan echia who cares we don't have a problem with that at the end of the day whoever leads is going to run on the record of MPP. And MPP record, the first record book is President Kufuor. The second record book is Nanado. Now says those 2 record books, no, you be trashing in that down. A dear message about Umia Ekoton. Mama na digitization keke. They have to be a record. They have to be a record that we can all run on. And it's what there's a most audio no maya ma yate. Nemo me pese munu say. audio way your audio our public domain. Onyame ya adoma 2028 NDC for bebo enunti SSA ye tifri hon tem.
Yes, I
Mama
don't
de
make
asem na kon enye se ye kobubo.
Yes.
Enye audio no ne ye kobubo se ye kobubo no for
Yes.
playing sake o. But ye
Yes,
man
for
krofo
people.
hu say abrantie na ye ka na asem no. Ebre bi a etwam o. De okade fa wo nipa no hunie. Enti se na wo ba no odane no hu dua broni atwa ni ye. De ye ka no no. It's not
Yes, yeah, they
necessarily
are saying,
playing the video. Playing the video
yes,
or audio no and no cry the emoyen say you play video no emoyen nenso as you making sure say sa niam na wo mo ye no abeyen sanda ho ada ho nti ye be use we no e be agade thought yes here we have to say ye tip free ho kra because this time around no operation protect bawo napo obi a wo de sam crofo mienu we din omanim wo be twatro be ye no me ye be ba be hwewo ye be posawo ye be kire wase we are not because hwe me patcho stadium last time me patcho we dey sorry pa abeku kai stadium ba omia win the first one we ye no
Yeah.
why na ba omia ni so franka ni mu together ehim ye enye Kennedy
Yeah, Kennedy no ni so mu Kennedy.
we no see odede nkrofo ni na ye den aba wo mu we ya no omo san ko see kaso a etu losing bonus. You just want the cameras to capture that there is peace when there is no peace.
Felix, I think say we and Kasan, yen MPP for Ankas, any year for. We are not yen to me and breaking crop when no one samu. They are yet and say, oh, I can't yet the afa. Look at Asama Ken, the catcher and the followers. One say somebody run a propaganda. Are you
No
following?
more running. And some kind and no more running. Yes.
Now their plan is in within 3 years, and then Tom copying 2028, you know, Bibi Beto doctor. Bibi
Doctor,
Beto
yes.
Baumia, there will be a
Yes.
chance to say your best uncle primary medium,
Yes.
we are
Yes.
Do you know what
Yes.
people are doing and that?
And they are planning it. Obi ono to me ejina TV so aka say se Baumia your no ne dadwene a anka by na anka I will get rid of him. Baumia me dadwene a I will get rid of him. Now onipa ne say from now to 3 years a kwan wo mu pa a lot can happen. Mo taking say just a mere statement. Mo de mama mo papa no ho ban na mo nyina say yen twen no mo nka yin wie. Sorry o ma Mary. Say